Okay guys, so just a little another little quick video. Today we're looking at this little water bottle tactical pouch with Molle connections on the back that I've just got as part of my little kit I'm putting together for solo wild camps, trying to make it sort of convenient and lightweight. I got this so that it will fit to the NI patrol pack, British Army, which isn't actually Molle compatible, so I'm still figuring out exactly how I'm going to attach that on at the moment. But this video is about this pouch. These range for anywhere from, you know, lower price ones like this up to sort of 20 quid, maybe even more. So this one's called Fippy. The brand is called Fippy, and it costs like $7.99 off Amazon. So this is what you get for $7.99 instead of 20 quid. Size wise and all that, functionality in general, it's the same, and it is, I'd say, pretty good, to be honest, for the money. It's very spacious. You've got the zip pocket at the front. I've got my little stove system and stuff. And you've got a zip around the top. I've got lid, Nalgene bottle, full 1 litre Nalgene bottle, and titanium pot in here. A little bit of a squeeze getting that in and out, and that is 750 millilitres, just about. I mean, 750 millilitres to the very top, so that gives you an idea how big that is. But the bottle and all that only really come up to here, so you've also got the rest of that space there if you want a longer bottle or a bigger part or whatever, but it can't be any wider than that. Now for $7.99 it is a budget pouch, and as you can see there is already a little bit of peeling off of the plastic inside. The outside's fine, it's like a Cordura type material. The inside is starting to damage already, and it hasn't even been field tested yet. I haven't really even used it outside of home. So, you know, that's what you get for your money. Doesn't really bother me too much because I wanted to make sure that this actually fitted in with what I wanted to use it for first anyway. So $7.99, I'll use it to death. When it breaks, I might think about investing in a better quality one. You've got these Molle straps on the front, Velcro, digital camo. You've got some more Velcro on top. A little thin, I'm not sure what you call that, it's like a thin carabiner. Then you've got your Molle straps on the back, which you weave in and out. Then you've got these plastic D rings here. It is very, very spacious, and it is Molle compatible. So for $7.99 off Amazon, that is the kind of standard that you're looking at. So it's a bit thin, Cordura, plastic's wearing off, but is functional. The only thing that I'd really be worried about functionally, actually, to be honest, is some of the stitching around here might not be the greatest. But once that's folded over and locked through all these straps and that, I don't think the pressure is going to be on there anyway. That's it.